What's a soulmate?
It's like a best friend, but more. It's the one person in the world who knows you better than anyone else. That's someone who makes you a better person. No, actually, they don't make you a better person. You do that by yourself because they inspire you. A soulmate is someone you carry with you forever. It's one person who knew you, accepted you, and believed in you before anyone else did, or when no one else would. And no matter what happens, you will always love them, and nothing could ever change that.